Minnow, Gigi Jeb, Grand Rising, and good morning. There's wisdom in that old rock there, that Mishomis. I've learned a lot from the trees, sometimes about the weather, sometimes about the animals, and sometimes about the Great Spirit. And that was Walking Buffalo, the Stony tribe. Nature is the greatest teacher on Mother Earth. Nature produces many different plants, animals, trees, rocks, birds, insects, and weather patterns. Nature designed all these various things to grow and multiply, while at the same time live in harmony with each other. We can learn a lot if we sit and observe and study Mother Nature's system of harmony and balance. Today, go sit on a rock and quietly observe and ask to be shown the lessons of the Great Spirit. Great Spirit, nature is my teacher. Today, let me be the student. I wish you all a beautiful day. God bless.